Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Power Wheels is probably one of the most sought-after ride-on toys for children, offering hours of imaginative play and outdoor adventure, but with so many models and features available, choosing the perfect one can feel like a daunting task, especially when you want to ensure it provides both fun and safety for your little driver. Number 5. Schumacher Electric Charge N-Ride TB312V Battery. Introducing the Schumacher Electric Charge N-Ride TB312V battery, designed to bring more fun to your child's ride-on toys. It's the perfect replacement for their favorite 12V Fisher-Price Power Wheels. Getting them back on the road is a breeze with our Quick Connect harness. Installation and connection take mere seconds, ensuring playtime is never interrupted for too long. Extend the life of their beloved ride-on toys with our premium replacement battery. Having an extra one on hand means they can get back to cruising faster than ever. For the quickest recharge, pair it with the Schumacher Charge N-Ride CR7 charger. This ensures their battery is ready for their next adventure in no time. Our battery features a replaceable fuse for safer operation and charging. It protects against overcurrent, giving you peace of mind while they play. Your purchase includes the Schumacher Electric Charge N-Ride TB312V battery and its user manual. Everything you need to easily power their playtime is right here. What we like. This battery offers a quick connect harness for easy installation. It also features a replaceable fuse for added safety. If you are looking for a hassle-free replacement that prioritizes safety and ease of use, this is a great option. What people say. Works great in my kids' Jeep Power Wheels ride-on. Plug fits, battery fits, charged quick, lasted several hours of driving in the yard. Great replacement for original battery. Easy install and worked very well. Brought back an old toy to new condition for grandchildren. It lasts for over an hour. I don't know how long it would last, because he stops riding before the battery runs down. The power, compatibility, and the price are excellent. Number 4. Fisher-Price Power Wheels 12V Replacement Battery. Get your little one back on the road with this high-quality replacement battery. It's designed to provide the power they need for endless fun. This battery is 100% compatible with your Greytop 12V Power Wheels. The connector ensures a perfect fit in both the vehicle and the charger. With the same specifications as the original, this SLA battery offers reliable performance. It's built to withstand hours of playtime. Your child's safety is paramount. This battery features an internal, self-resetting fuse and comes with an instruction booklet for important safety information. The connector with a replaceable 30-amp fuse makes installation straightforward. Refer to the included instruction card for easy setup. Measuring 151 by 65 by 99 mm, 5.9 by 2.5 by 3.9 inches, it's designed to fit seamlessly into your Power Wheels. What we like. This replacement is designed for a 100% compatible and perfect fit with most Grey 12V Power Wheels. It comes with a replaceable fuse, ensuring safety and convenience. If your current battery is gray and you need a guaranteed fit with safety features, this is the one to consider. What people say. They maintain the power output when going up hills unlike any other batteries we have used. These batteries are very slim and almost half the size of a factory battery, which makes them great for converting a 12V to an 18 or 24V, as you can easily fit them together in the battery compartment. It charges easily, it works well as a replacement, and it fits into the compartment without an issue. Number 3. Power Wheels 12V Rechargeable Battery. Introducing the Power Wheels 12V Rechargeable Battery. It's designed to meet the high standards of Power Wheels for optimal performance. This battery ensures your ride-on toy delivers the best possible performance every time. Experience the difference quality makes. It's specifically designed for Fisher-Price Power Wheels Advanced Series vehicles. Ensure your vehicle uses a Type 12V battery system for compatibility. Safety is paramount with its internal, self-resetting fuse. This provides an added layer of protection during use. Receive your new battery in convenient frustration-free packaging. It's designed for easy opening and immediate use. Simply connect it to your compatible Power Wheels vehicle. Enjoy extended playtime with this reliable power source. What we like. Engineered to meet rigorous Power Wheels requirements, this battery ensures optimal performance. It's compatible with advanced series vehicles and features a self-resetting fuse for safety. If you have a Power Wheels Advanced Series vehicle and want a battery that's specifically designed for peak performance and built-in safety, this is your best bet. What people say. Works and charges as expected. Son's Jeep has little more power with the new battery. The battery has more power than the original battery that came with the car. The battery lasts about 45 minutes per charge, which I expected. Number 2. Power Wheels 6-volt rechargeable replacement battery. Keep the fun going with this replacement 6-volt battery for your Power Wheels vehicle. It's designed to provide the power your ride needs. This is a 9.5 Ah lead-acid battery, perfect for Power Wheels vehicles that require this specific type. Ensure your child's ride is always ready for adventure. Please note that the charger is not included with this battery. You can use the original charger that came with your Power Wheels vehicle. For the very first use, it's crucial to charge the battery for at least 18 hours, but no more than 30 hours. This ensures optimal performance from the start. For all subsequent charges, always recharge for a minimum of 14 hours and a maximum of 30 hours. Consistent charging keeps it ready for playtime. To prevent early battery failure, always ensure it's fully charged before storing it. This simple step will help extend its lifespan significantly. What we like. This battery is specifically for Power Wheels vehicles that require a 6V battery. It requires the original charger and a long initial charge time. If your Power Wheels toy is a 6V model and you have the original charger, this is the correct and necessary replacement to get it running again. What people say. My Harley requires the two 6-volt batteries pictured. I ordered 2 and the vehicle works beautifully now. I purchased this to replace a battery in AF-150 Power Wheel, circa 2015 to 2016. It worked perfectly. My son was thrilled to have the battery last like it used to. It fits perfectly, charges, etc. This battery was the perfect replacement for a dead battery. A word of advice, if you are replacing a battery for your 4-wheeler, be sure to purchase the same battery as though the one you're replacing. Different 4-wheelers have different batteries. If yours is red, black or gray, be certain to replace same for same. Number 1. Fisher-Price Power Wheels 12V battery replacement. Keep your child's adventures going strong with this reliable 12-volt battery. It's designed to deliver consistent power to their favorite ride-on toys, ensuring hours of fun. This battery is designed to seamlessly fit a wide range of popular ride-on cars. It's the ideal replacement for many models, providing an optimal fit for continuous play. Replacing the old battery is a breeze with this easy installation design. You can quickly connect it for a reliable and secure fit, getting them back to their adventures in no time. Constructed with a durable sealed lead-acid design, this battery is built to endure frequent play and various weather conditions. It provides consistent, long-lasting energy for all their outdoor fun. To keep it in top condition, simply recharge it every 3 months. This simple maintenance ensures strong performance and reliable, extended playtime for their ride-on adventures. What we like. This battery provides reliable power for long playtime and features easy installation. Its durable sealed lead-acid design ensures it can withstand frequent play and varied weather. If you have a compatible Power Wheels model like the Barbie Jeep or Dune Racer and want a robust battery that offers extended fun and is built to last, this is an excellent choice. What people say. These batteries will last and last provided that you keep them charged. Recharge right away whether your child rides a little or a lot and your battery will last for years. With the new battery, our Power Wheel works much better. We have the Jeep version and this is the battery that fits in it. It worked just fine and seems to hold a charge for an expected amount of time. This battery gave my daughter's Barbie car life. It ran better than new. We've had no issues whatsoever. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.